In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Music Player to Notion. We'll start by opening Notion in your browser and signing in. Use any login method you prefer. If you choose Google, simply continue with your account and you'll land in your workspace. Once you're in, create a fresh page. Click Add a page in the sidebar, then give it a clear name so you can find it later. Something like Music, Study Beats, or Workout Playlist works great. You'll see the title appear at the top. Click into the space just below it to position your cursor for adding content. Next, open a new browser tab and head to a music platform. You can use YouTube, Spotify, or many others. I'll demonstrate with Spotify. Find the track you want to feature, open the song, then look for the three-dot More Options button. Click Share and choose Copy Link to Song. This copies a standard link to your clipboard that Notion can turn into a playable embed. Tip: this works with albums and playlists too. Just copy the album or playlist link if you want a longer set of tracks. Public links embed most reliably. Switch back to your Notion page. With your cursor in the body area, type Embed to bring up the block menu, then select Embed. Paste the link you just copied into the URL field and confirm by clicking Embed Link. In a moment, Notion will display an interactive Spotify player right on your page. If you don't see the player immediately, double check that you pasted the full link and that the content is accessible. You can adjust how it looks by dragging the handles on the edges to resize the block. Widen it for a more prominent player, or keep it compact to save space. Notion remembers your sizing, so once it feels right, you're set. To add more music, simply repeat the same flow. In your music platform, open the track, use the three dots, choose Share, copy the link, then come back to Notion, type in Embed, pick Embed, paste, and confirm. In no time, you can build a curated list of songs, albums, or playlists. If you're organizing a larger collection, consider keeping each embed on its own line for easy scanning, and add short text labels above them so you remember why each track is there. Also note that sometimes pasting a link directly onto the page will auto-embed without using embed. If that happens, you can accept it and move on. And that's it. Log in, make a page, copy a song link, embed it, resize, and repeat as needed to create your perfect Notion Music Hub.